KyleGamez here. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to get Animoji on your phone. I have an iPhone 5 SE, which is basically a 6 in the body of a 5, and trust me, there's no way I can have Animoji, right? Because it's only for iPhone X, but I don't have an iPhone X, and I have Animoji, as you can see. Well, something like Animoji, and I'm going to teach you guys how to get it right now. Alright, so first off, what you want to do is you want to go to the App Store and search up Supermoji. It's spelled S-U-P-E-R-M-O-J-I. So, yeah, I'll pop it up on the screen for you guys. And then you download that app. It's kind of a knockoff version of Animoji. And what it does is you can basically, like, green screen your face, white screen your face. See, like this, I can change the background color here. Hello. and it makes basically so you can either have it on your face or off your face. So kind of like this, and it's basically Animoji, but like for a different version of iPhone. You can also add effects and stuff, like, yeah. So I'm gonna teach you guys all how to do that right now. Alright, so when you first open the app, you're gonna have several options down at the bottom that you can tap on. If you tap on the effects, you can add lots of like facial effects. It's kind of like Snapchat a little bit, but with emojis. And so basically you can like have fire come out of your mouth or snow be around you. It's kind of cool. And there's also other options down there, like backgrounds. You can change the background so that it's not just showing your face or your camera. It can be showing a different background but still using your face to move the Animoji. And so there's also a masks tab down there, and that's how you can change the Animoji that you are using, or the emoji. But there's lots of other ones down there too. There's like Donald Trump drowning. That's pretty much what this app is. Alright, so if you guys have enjoyed, make sure you smash that like button, and then if you also really enjoyed, you can hit that subscribe button. Tell me in the comments what I did wrong to improve for future videos if you dislike, and also share this video with your friends so we can get more people to know how to use Animoji without actually having it. Anyway guys, this has been Kyle, and I'm out. Peace!